What if you could take your trading from the unknown like this and make yourself a literal prediction engine where you know where the price is going to go, just like this? That's what I'm going to teach you today. Welcome back to the channel. This is SJC Trades Futures. I'm Stephen J. Campbell. I'm a full-time futures trader just like you. I'm a full-time futures educator with over 2,000 students, and I'm here to make daily videos for you so you can know what you should have done today, do it tomorrow, make money, and stop losing. Let's go. Poof. And before we start, I want to say thank you to you, the person watching this video. I started this channel as a way to support my students so they could know they were doing it right. And look what you've done in less than a month. I'm amazed. 2,363 subscribers. Let's keep growing the community. And I said poof, which means we go to the charts. The problem with this chart right here when you wake up on Monday morning is you look at it and you say, it's a crapshoot. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? But if we look at this chart on a 2-minute or a 1-minute or whatever time frame you trade, hey, do me a favor. Speaking of community, I got something special to share for you later in the video, but put your time frame, just 1, 2, 3, 15, 5. Put it in the comments below. I want to know what you're trading. So right, on a 2-minute time frame, we have no idea. Is it going to go down to this level? Is it going to go here? What if it goes down there? So first lesson of the video is ambiguity and trading. They don't go together very good. I mean, we can look at this and we can say, okay, there's a consolidation box and we have some levels up here. What happens below? But when we go back out and zoom out our time frame, things get very clear for us. Clear enough that in a minute, I'm going to show you my $1,000 profit trade. I took like one trade today, and I'll show you how that worked out. I want you to use the controls for time frames on your chart. Some people aren't even aware that this is a thing, but we can change the candles so they represent 15 minutes of time. And when we look at 15 minutes of time, we see the bigger picture. Put BP for big picture in the chat so I know you're with me here. Simply do this. Zoom in. Zoom in. And then when you see in the past a little area like this, you're going to draw a line on those areas using your extended line tool, your horizontal extended line tool. So simply click and move up to where the price likes to consolidate or looks like it jitters around. You do the jitterbug like they did in the 1930s. No idea why I got an accent all of a sudden. We're going to just click some areas where we can see the price and how it moves around at these levels, and watch what kind of magic happens. All of a sudden, a few things are clear. That consolidation level that we had over here, we drew a box out so we know if things are gonna click, they're gonna go into the consolidation box. And then we have every single level looking downwards that we might wanna have. So watch what happens when market opens. I wanna pinpoint where your entry points would be based on these simple lines you can draw. So your first obvious entry is going to be either here or here because we're breaking a level that it seems to be not able to break. It keeps bouncing back up. Promised I would show you my trade. Here we are in Trade-O-Vate. You can see it right there, clean as day, $1,100. And then our entry point was exactly right here at this first pink line. Our exit point was down here at the second line. You can see our entries and exits marked. Let's play that out on a trade replay 1 contract. Well, the minute things break down past that level, if you entered where I entered right below the major level that broke with such urgency and thrust downwards, you're looking at $640 on a single contract. So don't let anybody tell you that this stuff can't be predictable, that the markets are somehow always going to eat your lunch. That's not the case. You just have to have some foresight when you go into things and know where prices rest. Put 3, 2, 1 in the chats for me right now as we watch how this plays out. 3, 2, 1. And we have liftoff. Look how those charts and those bars adhere perfectly. Every single time it gets to a level, it rests, it takes its time, and then it just goes up to the 200 and decides it's going to flirt with the 200, which is a major support resistance in and of itself. You can predict this stuff. I will say it so many times in these videos. Got an email from a student of mine today. He showed me his trades He said, basically, I'm helping him and changed his life. Look at what he's doing here. This is his Trade of 8 account. $1,200 today on a single trade. I so want to show you his email, but he said he's going to post it up in the community for all of you guys to see, but that's what he's doing. Next up, we feature It's Trader X, and It's Trader X says, it can't be this easy. The truth is, trading is not easy. It's not easy. I'm forced to title my YouTube videos in certain ways so I get some kind of attention, but the reality is you can make it easier. But trading is one of the most complex things you can figure out. Once you figured it out, though, once you see it's just a series of patterns and you have somebody to teach you all this, that's why I'm here on planet Earth. And I got Sal Rahim asking, they live in Vegas just like me, do I offer live trading in the community? Do I do signal calling and discords and all that stuff? So there's a few things here. First of all, I'm here to teach you. If you come into a Discord and I start telling you when to trade, there's a delay on the internet. You're not going to hit your trades, but you're not going to learn anything. That's the first thing. I could make $50,000 a month just telling people it's $200 or $100 a month and just follow me in and out, but you're just copying. The second thing is live trading. I've tried it. I need zero distractions when I trade. I have a sinking suspicion that a lot of the gurus that you guys watch, I think they're trading sim accounts. Tell me in the chats if you want me to talk about that topic and make a real dedicated video. Just put yes in the chats, Y-E-S. But I'm here to teach you how to do this on your own. So if I get sick and I miss a day, or maybe hopefully God doesn't take me to heaven, you can still do this on your own. But I'm going to tell you who's not a distraction, and it's the students that you see in my comments, because they mean the world to me. If you want to be like them, you need to get into 1K a day. 1K a day is my own course. It is an entire blueprint where I show you everything that I know. It breaks down absolutely everything you'd ever wonder about the futures markets, what to look for, when to click buttons, and how to do things. And that's what my student comments come from. It's this thing right here on the screen. That's what they're doing. I'm on a mission to train 10,000 people to be a better trader than me and be the best version of themselves and change their lives too. And so what I've done is I've lowered the price of 1K a day from $2,000, which my platform recommended for as much content, down to $197. And you can get that deal too if you click the link in the pinned comment down below and type in the code SJC12. That's SJC12, 2 numbers at the end. You know numbers, right? Think about it this way. This is a GoPro camera that I spent $800 on or something. I don't even know if GoPro is going to exist in a year. They're not doing too good. Don't go long on GoPro. I don't give financial advice. But this camera, not only could it be extinct in a year if they release a new one, the company might not even exist. $800, extinct the minute it got shipped to my house. You'll own 1K a day forever for $197. Click the link below. Find the video on how I got scammed into trading, or it's right beside my head. There's a pinned comment in the chat. Come back tomorrow. Leave me a comment. Subscribe if you liked what you saw. We're going to cover it all again tomorrow and show you where you could have made money, where you could have avoided a loss. And we're going to do it in concise, actionable steps. And remember, I believe in you more than a lot of you guys actually believe in yourselves.